Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Coach coming at you, Touchable Customs. We at the shop, and Chris just stepped out
Hey.
and has made some progress today. Got the inner rocker in, looking pretty good. And I'm here. We're gonna be here for a few hours and see what else kind of progress we make today. So stay tuned.
Try not to blind you.
I'll be turning this way.
Right. I'm just letting you know.
Might knock my hat off, but are we replacing these full?
The frame rails,
Yeah, because of the shittiness of that.
I'm putting it into full theory that it might just go that route.
Yeah.
I mean, if we didn't have to get into it, we weren't gonna.
Right.
But seeing that in there,
Yeah.
we're gonna probably end up, locking the car in the air, doing some measuring, doing some this, doing some that. Fucking. I might leave that in place, set the floor in, get those pans set up, and just screw it to that frame rail for now.
Yeah, and then later on.
And then I can, after that's all back and reset, then I can pull the frame rail, and that'll give me my front point.
Mm-hmm.
Tell everybody to get over here. Goddamn good.
So right here, you can see that I am grinding down the spots where Chris welded. This is needed to make a smooth surface so that you can't see where it was welded. And eventually it will be covered in black so that you won't see it. So that's what I've been doing a lot of in this video.